Hello and welcome to this charity app template walkthrough for the charity app template created by JMP Studios. It's a template that you can use to keep your local and your community members in the know of what's happening with your local charity so that they can stay involved and understand your causes. So first, going into the charity app template, I'll be presented with this welcome screen just so that I can be sure that I'm in the right application. Where if you do have a charity that you would like to use this template for, you want the world to know that yours is a cause worth telling the world about. So using the application here, I can go down to the tabs below, where first I'll take a look at the Activities tab. When I click in, I'll be able to see all of the different activities that the charity is running, in this case, the Maple Community Charity. So as I scroll through, I can see these activities, where here I can see the first one being to replace the 1522 Maple Avenue roof, and that there are funds needed. If I click into the activity, I can click in here and I can see that we're almost there, but some help is needed to support these community causes because there are some funds needed. And as I scroll along, I'll be able to see that this cause is to replace the 1522 Maple Avenue roof, and it started on the 1st of January 2022. As I see the description, I can see that we're trying to raise funds to help Miss Marple replace the roof on her home. Miss Marple has been a fixture of the Maple community for many years and is looking for support after the tragic passing of her husband last year. Now, if I want to see more information about this cause, I can scroll through and I can see that 41% of the required funds have been raised, which amounts to $1,220, and that 3,000 total funds are needed to complete the cause. Now, if I click on the Support Cause button, I'll be able to get an email pre-populated, which will allow me to ask the charity what I can do to support, whether that be providing funds or providing other resources on a voluntary basis. Now, if I go back here to a campaign that has been completed, like this one for Operation Smile, I can see that funds have been received. So if I click in, I can see now that a message that says thank you, because the goal has been met and that funds are received. And as I scroll down here, I can see that over 100%, $5,600 out of the total $5,500 of funds have been raised. Now, if I go back here and I go to details, I'll be able to see details of the charity, in this case, the Maple Community Charity, with their email, as well as an address at 15 Maple Ave, and a description as to what the charity does. If I wanted to send a message to the charity, I can click this button to send an email directly to the charity app template to stay in touch and understand more about their cause. Now that we've gone through the interface, let's take a look at the data. Okay, so now looking at the data for the charity app template, I can see that there are two tables here tied to Google Sheets. So if I ever wanted to take a look at the data in the background, all I would need to do is go into the tables via Google Sheets and then export or manipulate as needed. So first, looking here at the causes table, I'll be able to see the different causes that the charity has listed out, as well as the details, the date started, total raised, and the total amount needed, so on and so forth. I can also see some columns here that let me know whether or not funds are needed or if they have been received, as well as how much money is required. If I go into the charity info table, I'll be able to see the name of the charity, the email, the address, as well as a description of the charity. Now, this template is fairly simple in nature, allowing your organization to showcase what you would like and keep your members involved in your progress. But if you would like to build out more functionality, please feel free to go ahead, because just like all other JMP Studios templates, this template has been developed so that it can be built upon. If you want to build user functionality, if you want to replace the emails with different functionality to support campaigns, you absolutely can. And if you do develop further, I would love to see it. If you'd like some help with developing out your Glide applications, this one or another that you would like for your organization or for your business, please feel free to reach out to myself at jmpstudios.xyz, and we would love to be able to help you with your Glide app templates and building out other business applications to make your organization or business run faster and run more collaboratively. Thank you for going through this walkthrough with me. If you have any questions, please feel free to share them. Thank you very much, and happy building.